Hi, Sophie Andrell here. I've been spending a lot of time with my clients this past month, helping them understand how to get themselves ready for 2020. I thought, why have I not created a webinar series for you guys about how to get ready for 2020? So I have, and it includes these 7 steps. These seem to be the most consistent 7 things that every industry needs to do to get ready for 2020 to be successful in their marketing endeavors. What I do when I work with my clients, I focus it on their industry, on their specific business, but in general, you want to rebuild trust. There's been a lot of mistrust through 2018. So in 2019, it shows that 70% of people trust their peers. So I'm going to show you how to really get peer endorsement. That's what counts online to grow your business. So how to get peer-to-peer endorsement, how to get people they know to endorse, how to get to people to talk about it. They want real people. So we've talked about that in the past. It's even more important for you, for your success in 2020. Focusing on Generation Z. Who are they? Well, guess what? They have $1 billion to spend globally in 2020, where millennials have $60 billion to spend. So it's important to understand how to work with them online, what they're looking for. Storifying social. What do I mean by that? Well, that's the stories that you can now put out on Instagram and Facebook that all started with Snapchat. Those are important. Brands are using them, real people are using them, and they're very real. It really helps you build that trust. It helps you reach Generation Z. So this is the year, 2019 is when you need to figure out how to use it, because it's going to be even more important in 2020. If you're not using it, you're going to miss your target market. So that's very important, how to use that. And again, I'm going to have webinars and I have full workshops on each of these if you need to learn more. Closing the gaps, closing the ad gap. What do I mean by that? Used to be that you can spend $1 on Facebook and you would definitely reach your target market and 1,000 people. Anyways, there is a formula I've shared with you in the past. Well, it's getting crowded on Facebook, on Twitter, on LinkedIn, on Instagram, on all of our platforms. It's getting crowded in the ad world, certainly on Google. So I want to show you how to crack the ad code, because that's important, that you understand how to properly leverage ads on social media and how to target your target market. Cracking the commerce code. What do I mean by that? Well, you can buy right on or donate right on social media. So it shows that those people that have understood how to put their e-commerce on social media directly have increased their sales by a significant amount, 600% in some cases. So messaging eats the world. What do I mean by that? Messaging, if you haven't figured out how to put your customer service on social media, again, by 2020, you're really going to lose the mark. People want answers right away. They don't want to have to pick up the phone. They want to be able to text message either through social media or your website. So that's what I mean. You really need to understand that. And video continues to rule. No surprise there. I have all sorts of apps and tricks to show you on that one. So that's really our 7 steps for you to be successful in 2020. You need to understand how to embrace these. You need to have a tactical plan around each of these, how to take your strategy and apply these tactics to them so that you are successful on social media, in digital marketing throughout 2019, and definitely position yourself for success in 2020. Thanks. Talk to you soon.